Alrighty, so eyebrows have been mapped. I did just get my entire stencil, so just outlining exactly where the shape was after I mapped it, and just having this white lines as just a safety, just to make sure of where not to get out, right? Okay, so let's get started with mixing our henna, okay? So with the mixing cup, you get your henna. I'm using today the medium brown. So you're just gonna pour some of your henna in there. Honestly, this is enough, more than enough. Okay. Put your henna away. So with the eyedropper, what you grab is basically some warm water. Some people like to use some rose water. That works as well. It will heighten more the color, so be careful on that. If you want more of a light and it comes more darker than you expected it to be. So warm water works perfectly well as well. I like using warm water. So you just pour some, and with your paddle, go ahead and mix. And no, don't worry. I know it's going to look a little bit dark. It's gonna look black. I mean, really. But this is medium brown. So just good mixing. Make sure that it turns basically to a nice, like, chocolate syrupy. Okay? This is perfectly smooth. It's not too watery. It's just perfectly syrupy paste. Perfect. Okay. So with the ankle brush, I do like to get a wet and just try to flatten it out. It does help. Just to be able to make a straight line. I feel like just flattening out the brush, just wet a little bit. Just flatten it out. Okay, perfect. So let's get started. I like to go and start from the end forward because I like to do the ombre look. I want it to be more natural. If not, it's gonna look kind of crazy. So my recommendation is start from the back forward and leave the front for later. The total time henna could stay on will be 30 minutes. You can do it for less. It will be lighter. The color won't be as dark. So that's basically the way that I accomplished the ombre look. So let's get in there. The best way to get the henna in is really dabbing it in there to go through your hairs into your skin. Constantly dabbing. So I think that's pretty good. Right? Let's start on the other side. Now you basically put on your timer for 30 minutes or however long you want to keep it on for. As this dries up, the best thing to do is just always add more as you see it dry up. Henna is dry and it will dry your skin and everything, so just always be on top of it. Just constantly adding more henna, dabbing it in through the hairs to really get the full color, because in reality you won't get your full color. It'll be, the color that it barely caught on, Henna gets out of the lines. Use one of the position Q-tips I did add into the tips and scrape it away. Super easy. These are like literally lifesavers. I'm just saying. I'm going to redo my line. Perfect. So the last 8 minutes is when I'm going to start working myself in to do that ombre and accomplish that awesome look, that natural look that everybody wants. Last 8 minutes. So just inch yourself in. Okay, so the last 4 minutes, I'll just completely cover everything in, but always work from outside in. Perfect. Okay, guys, so this is the last few seconds. I suggest getting yourself a paper towel or a towel as well. Just get it warm with wet with some warm water. And then basically what you're going to do is just wipe off. Alrighty, let's go. Oh yeah. Okay. So, if you're wondering by any chance, I took off my henna and it looks kind of green, like what's going on? So, henna, when it has not had the entire time to cure and sit on your skin and get the color, what it does is basically it turns to a green color, but it will go away within like 10 minutes and just turn to a color it's supposed to be. So now we can see that it's completed, and you can see how definitely in the middle it is a lot lighter than it is in the ends. So I do keep my eyebrows long just because I do like to do the bushy brow with the brow soap that we do have. That's another tutorial though. So let's see here. And I think, oh, these look amazing. So these will be on for another 2 weeks. Do not reapply henna to just just fresh henna already. I understand that sometimes you feel like, oh my god, I may have missed a spot, or oh, I didn't continue to reapply every time it got dry, but you have to honestly wait for yourself a week. Like I said, henna does dry up a lot and dries your skin, so you don't want to continue to do that. Really good is rose water for any if you have any inflammation due to the dryness, but it should be fine. And yeah, you'll see that your perfect brows are easy to achieve, and all you need is just a brow hack. See you guys. Bye.